Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and if you have a Dollar General near you, go and do this deal this morning. I do not know how long it's going to last, but 96 cents for a Dawn Powerwash and the refill. That is a little something called magic. This stuff is a really good dish cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, cleaner for your house, cleaner for everything, and we're going to jog through this deal. Even for all the Walgreens shoppers out there, if you want to try and give this deal a shot, absolutely go for it. So as you can see, for this deal, you're going to have to grab one power wash and one refill. So the big tall thing with the trigger, that is the wash, and the refill is the little stubby one. It says actually refill on it. And as you can see, one is $4.95 and one is $3.95. Now, what makes this very interesting, and I don't think this promotion will last all week, they're going to pull it, is this. This is an in-store promotion of buy one power wash, get one free. So they might change that, and they have all the rights to do that sort of stuff, but this is how it's tagged. And the beauty of why this is such a fire deal is that we also have a digital manufacturer coupon of $3.99 off of the two. So, I mean, right there, you can see how great and crazy this is going to get. And I'm going to show you the receipts for this little dealio. Okay, so for this first deal, I'm just going to show you what I did. And I grabbed this power wash, and I got the cashier to scan this guy first. The devil is in the detail. Please follow this order or everything will be messed up. So you get the cashier to scan this guy first, and then the refill for $3.99. So boom, boom. Then you can punch in your phone number, say, excuse me, can I punch in my phone number? And please make sure that you have this digital coupon loaded, which is the $3.99 off of two. And even if they're cleared today, maybe they'll restock in the next couple of days, and you might be able to get in on this deal. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the receipt. My spray is there for $4.95, and then the wash is secondly. And there's the digital coupon and then the in-store savings, and it drops it down to 96 cents. So that is just absolutely fantastic to pay that sort of a price for the two. I mean, it's totally unheard of, especially for Dawn to pay 48 cents for the two. I mean, that's just magic. So if you can get out today, run and go do it. The next question I want to answer, could you use this in a transaction? If you're just buying the two, which is a spray and a refill, the answer to that is yes. So just to show you, I did a transaction as well, and I got it down to 96 cents. And I did that goofy, scan the trigger spray first, and then the refill, and then I presented the coupon. And you don't even need to punch in your phone number. You just present the coupon and it scans. Also, that coupon is from the March P&G, which is this weekend's newspaper. To answer some more questions, for those of you that are like, I'm going to scan stuff however I want, that's fine. See the refills first, and then the power wash is second. The subtotal is $4.95. So see, it says aborted. I got the cashier to void it, and then we rang it the proper way, and it was 96 cents for the two. So you really got to be on your A game for this today. And then to answer another question, if you just wanted to grab two trigger sprays, if you can't find the refills, unfortunately you need to grab one of each, because the store promotion is to buy the trigger spray, get the refill for free. The digital coupon is a $3.99 off of two. So to get the two to work in concert, you need one of each. Now, in the dish soap aisle, if you cannot find it, make sure to look for end caps. They have that new Easy Squeeze by Dawn, and then half of it is all Easy Squeeze. And then if you look at the far right, that's where a whole bunch of trigger sprays are. So, either or, by all means, look around the store. Don't just look in the dish soap aisle. Now, the next question I want to answer, if you want to grab two trigger sprays and then two refills and use one insert coupon and one digital, will the two stack? And the answer to that is no. I got the cashier, the wash, the refill, and look at this, $5.91. There was a huge mistake, and the cashier just voided it, and we broke it up into two transactions. He was super duper this morning. But just to let you know, it ain't working. Don't try it. Do all separate transactions. And for 96 cents for the two, it's where it's at completely. Do this deal ASAP. I have the sneakiest suspicion either the digital coupon will be pulled, or possibly they will remove the store promotion, like something will change because there's no way they want it 96 cents for the 2. Last thing we're going to talk about for Walgreens shoppers is this. Online and in-store sales price items for this week, such as this body wash, should be $3.99. It's ringing up for last week's prices. So it's making a mess in-store and online. I would wait probably till Monday or later today, which is the 27th, which is Sunday, to go do these deals. It is a headache day over at Walgreens. Good luck with the Power Wash, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.